Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing the GLOSSYBOX Easter egg. So this is a really cute limited edition box from GLOSSYBOX, and this is what it looks like right here. So it's like a little egg, which is really cute. I love the design of this one with the little kind of speckles all over the egg. So cute, and a little bow at the top here which says GLOSSYBOX. So there's 10 products inside here and they're worth over £80, and it goes on sale on the 26th, and it'll be £20 for subscribers of GLOSSYBOX's monthly beauty box or £25 for non-subscribers. And if you want to sign up to GLOSSYBOX monthly beauty box, then I will leave a link to it down below in the description box for you. I also have a discount code where you can save yourself a bit of money on these subscription plans as well. I'll leave all the details of the egg down below in the description box just in case I forgot to mention anything. And yeah, if you're brand new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below, click the bell next to that so that you get notified every time I upload a new video, and of course if you like and enjoy this unboxing, then give it a big thumbs up. Now we'll go on and crack the egg open. The egg cracks open right in the centre here like that, and we have all the products inside the egg there. We also get this leaflet along with the egg, which tells us all about the products that are inside and how much each of them are worth. The first thing we get inside I'm really excited to try out, and it is the Saint-Tropez self-tanning mousse. So this is the Express 1 Hour Tan, and it's an advanced bronzing mousse which it says you leave on for just under an hour and you'll develop a nice golden glow. So I'm very excited to try this out, and we get this tanning mitt along with it, which is great. So this is a deluxe mini worth £12, and the full size of this is £33. And the mitt, of course, it's a really nice kind of dual-sided velvet mitt, and it's quite thick, which I love for when applying tan. And this is £5. Okay, so the next thing we get inside I absolutely love. This is the NARS bronzing powder. So this is my absolute favourite bronzer. Like, I think this one's a little bit different. I think this is the glow one, but I love the matte version of the NARS Laguna. So this is the shade Laguna also, but I think this is the newer version, which has a little bit of a shimmer to it, I believe. I'm going to give it a little swatch in a second. The packaging for it right there. So it's like a little mini guy, and that's the shade. So this is my absolute favourite bronzer, and I'm not too sure if this is the matte version or a glow version. It looks quite kind of matte there, it just has a nice kind of like glow sheen to it, like not shimmery. So I'm glad that it's not shimmery or anything like that. I think it's the same. I'll have to swatch it side by side with my other one, but I just love NARS bronzers in general. I think they're gorgeous. So I'm very excited about this. So this is a little mini, of course, which is worth £4.65, and the full size is £31, and I know that because I buy this bronzer regularly. So yeah, I love this. I cannot wait to give this one a go. I think it's the same, but it does say that it has a glowing shimmeriness to it, so yeah, I'm not too sure if it is, but anyway, love NARS, so I'm excited about that. The next thing we get inside is this here from OK. I think this is, it's their illuminating serum, and it says that this serum will retain moisture and plump the skin. It's got hyaluronic acid inside and vitamin B3, so that's it there. And I do believe this is a full size. Yeah, this is a full size product, and it says packed with skincare goodness that hydrates, illuminates and enhances the skin's natural glow. This super serum is lightweight. It helps build layers of hydration for an ultimate dewy finish. It's got niacinamide inside, which improves the appearance of skin tone, while hyaluronic acid helps your complexion to appear plumped. Yeah, so this sounds lovely. I cannot wait to try this out. I do love a glowing serum, And yeah, this one I haven't tried before, so I'm looking forward to this. And this is a 30 ml, which is actually full size, because I've noticed with a lot of serums they usually come in about 30 ml. 30 to 50 I think is probably most for them. And yeah, this is £15. Next thing we get inside is this body mist from Hawaiian Tropics, and I love their body mist. They're actually really nice. And this one is in the scent, Pink Retreat, which it says Bird of Paradise and Fruity Guava. So this one I'm going to give a little spray. Okay, so this is nice. I do prefer the Aloha Cocoa one. I think that is lovely. And also the golden one is quite nice, but that's very coconutty. But this one is nice. This is a lot more fruitier than those ones. It has a mixture of fruity and floral scents, which is nice. And these body mists last a long time on the skin. Like the other ones I've had last a good amount of time, which is great. So yeah, this I'm really happy with. And this is a deluxe size. Of course, it's a little mini one. It's the travel size, which is £6, and the full size of these are actually £10. We also get this from Christoph Robin. This is a cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt in it. So it is a hair mask, and I'm going to give it a little... Oh, that is really nice actually. Oh, I like the scent of that. That is very, very, very fresh. Like, I have smelt before, but I don't think from this brand. Oh, do you know what it is? It's the Molten Brown. The Molten Brown body washes. There's one. Oh, which one is it now? There's one in particular that smells like this. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm excited to use this. It says here it's for sensitive or oily scalps. Detox your hair with this cleansing, purifying and soothing shampoo treatment. It's perfect for sensitive or oily scalps. It can also be used as a post-colour treatment to soothe tingling and itching sensations. Oh, so that's good, because my mum dyes her hair and she gets itchy and tingly like the day or so after she dyed it, so this would actually be quite good for her actually. Yeah, so this is a deluxe mini, which is 40 ml, and it's worth £4.60. The full size is £40. We also get this lip balm here from Carmex. This is their naturally intensely hydrating lip balm, and it says it naturally soothes and hydrates your lips after one application. So yeah, it's nice to have one of these on the go basically. That is full size, of course, and it's worth £3.95. Then we also get this fragrance here from Juliet Has a Gun, I think, or is it Muse Invisible? Muse Invisible. This is a bit strange. Muse Invisible Eau de Parfum. Okay, so I've never heard of this brand before, and it's called Juliet Has a Gun. So I'm gonna give it a little squirt. Ooh, so that is quite masculine. Like, I think this is more of like a male scent, but oh, I don't know, this is nice. It has this nice kind of masculine scent to it, which I know a lot of women actually quite like masculine scented fragrances for themselves, and this is actually quite nice. It's quite, oh, I don't know, quite musky. It has the musky kind of scents to it, which is nice. It's a very fresh scent. Like, I do quite like this. It's different. I don't have a fragrance that smells like this, like myself. I don't have one, so this would be interesting to use. Like, I am quite liking this, like it is growing on me. So this is obviously, of course, a little deluxe mini, which is a 5 ml, which is supposedly worth £13, and the full size is £96.80. So quite an expensive perfume. Next thing we get is another hair treatment from Wonder. This is the Scenic Roots hair treatment. It says it's a restorative 3-in-1 hair treatment which conditions, moisturises and detangles with ease. Yeah, so that sounds good, and it's a deluxe mini, which is 20 ml worth £5.60. The full size is £24. And then the next thing we get here is a little mini Laura Mercier lipstick. So this I believe is in a red shade, and I think I have this, like, I think I got this, did I not, in the Look Fantastic box? I think so. But anyway, I'm not going to open this up because I'll probably give this away. But it's a red colour, and it says it's weightless on the lips. It delivers a long-lasting, intense colour. It has a silky formula that lasts up to 6 hours without bleeding, drying or fading. And it has clever ingredients inside which help to moisturise and smooth the lips. So yeah, the little mini is worth £8.91 and the full size is £26. So it is a red shade like that, if you can see. And yeah, I think that's everything we get inside, and yeah, very happy with this little egg. Like, it's super cute, and there's a bunch of products in here which I'm excited about. Loving the NARS, like the NARS Bronzer, that's my fave. And this smells nice. I like these body mists in general. They're really great for like the summer months and things like that. You can just spray them all over the body and it lasts, like that brand lasts quite a while on the body. I'm looking forward to using this from Saint-Tropez. Also the serum I'm looking forward to trying because you guys know I love serums. And the little fragrance here from, is it Mousse or Musk Invisible? Smells quite nice. So yeah, I'm liking a bunch of products in here. So yeah, that's everything inside this year's Easter beauty egg from Glossybox, and really nice products in there. Again, it is £20 for subscribers of Glossybox Monthly Beauty Box and £25 for non-subscribers. So it's pretty good value actually. It's worth over £80. So if you're into like obviously these type of products, that is definitely worth picking up, and I think it'll probably sell out quite quick as well. So it is on sale tomorrow, which is the 26th, and I will leave a link to down below in the description box for you. And of course, if you want to try the Glossybox Monthly Beauty Box, I will leave a link to that, and also I'll have my discount code down there as well for you. That is it for this unboxing. I really hope you liked and enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button just down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.